Yeah, hello everyone. Now in today's video we will learn that how to change the Facebook URL of your page. You can see on the screen that here the Facebook page is already being created and now the link is this one like profile.php id this. Now if I want to change this link, then how can we change it? Now first you will have to move settings, then in the settings you will set your username. So edit it and then give your page name. Suppose I want to keep my page name eCalci, then it's not available, so you will have to change it eCalci systems. Now it's okay. Then save changes. Okay, now then you will get your password. Now you will have to re-enter your password to continue. Okay, then now I will. Now you will have to enter your password here and then you will click on submit. Then whenever you will submit, your username will be opted. Thanks.